Hello friends, welcome to all of you our YouTube channel Prashant Online School. My name is Prashant Kumar Tamde. I am assistant teacher in Sri Bhairavnath Vidyalay, Vanpuri, Purandar, Pune. Please share, subscribe and click on bell icon to use new notification of these channels. Standard 10th Mathematics Part 1st, Chapter number 1st, Linear Equation in Two Variables. Student, we are going to learn equation reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. It means how to solve non-linear equation in two variables. For example, solve the following simultaneous equation. First equation is 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. First step is numbering the given equations. Therefore, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4 equation first. Next equation is 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2 is the equation second. Observe the given these two equations. These two equations are not linear equation in two variables. In previous lecture, we have studied linear equation in two variables. What is meant by linear equation in two variables? An equations which contain two variables and degree of each term containing 1 is called linear equation in two variable. Given example is not linear equation in two variable. Convert non-linear equation into linear equation by substituting new variable in the given non-linear equations. Substituting a for 1 upon x plus y. Factor of 10 upon x plus y is 10 into 1 upon x plus y. In second equation, factor of 15 upon x plus y is 15 into 1 upon x plus y. Therefore, the 1 upon x plus y, these terms are equal. Therefore, substituting a for 1 upon x plus y. Similarly, in equation first, 2 upon x minus y. Factor of 2 upon x minus y is 2 into 1 upon x minus y. In equation second, factor of 5 upon x minus y is 5 into 1 upon x minus y. Both these two equations, 1 upon x minus y terms are equal. Therefore, substituting b for 1 upon x minus y. First equation becomes 10a plus 2b is equal to 4 gives equation third. And equation second becomes 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. It means convert this non-linear equation into linear equation by substituting new variables. Here a and b, these two variables are substituted. Next step is to check the coefficient of each variables. In these two equations, both the variable having different coefficient, therefore convert equal coefficient of any one variable. So, student, I will convert coefficient of b variables. 8. Multiply equation 3 by 5 means 5 into 10a plus 2b is equal to 4 means 15a plus 10b is equal to 20 equation 5 and equation 4 by 2. Therefore, equation is 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4, equation 6. Here, coefficient of b variables are equal. If the equal coefficient of the variable having different sign, then addition will be take place. If equal coefficient having same sign, then subtraction will be takes place. Here equal coefficient of variable having different sign, therefore addition will be takes place of equation 5th and equation 6th. Therefore, adding equation 5th and equation 6th, we get 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. Therefore, 50a plus 30a, 80a plus 10b minus 10b will be eliminated is equal to 20 minus 4 is 16. Therefore, 80a is equal to 16. Therefore, a is equal to 60 upon 80. This 80, transfer 80 on right hand side. Therefore, multiplications becomes division. Therefore, a is equal to 16 upon 80. 16 ones are 16 and 16 5s are 18. Therefore, a is equal to 1 upon 5. Substituting a is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 3, we get 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Therefore, 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. Therefore, 2b is equal to 4 minus 2. Plus 2 transfer to right hand side, this plus 2 becomes minus 2. Therefore, 2b is equal to 4 minus 2. Therefore, 2b is equal to 2 means b is equal to 2 upon 2. Therefore, the value of b is equal to 1. Resubstituting the value of a and b. The value of a is 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5 and b is 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, new equation is 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. Here cross multiplication takes place. 5 into 1, 5 and 1 into x plus y is equal to x plus y. Therefore, equation is x plus y is equal to 5, equation 7. Next equation, here cross multiplication take place. Therefore, equation is x minus y is equal to 1, equation 8. Solve again these two simultaneous equations by eliminations method. In elimination method, first to check coefficient of each variables. In these two equations, both the variable having coefficients are equal. Therefore, we can eliminate x variable and also y variables. If the sign of equal coefficient of the variables are different, then addition will be takes place. Therefore, adding equation 7 and equation 8, we get x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, x plus x 2x, this plus y minus y will be eliminated and 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 upon 2. Therefore, 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. Therefore, value of x is 3. Then substituting x is equal to 3 in equation 7, we get 3 plus y is equal to 5. Transfer this plus 3 on right hand side. This plus 3 becomes minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to 5 minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Therefore, 3, 2 is the solution of the given equations. Next point is application of simultaneous equations. The simultaneous equations are used to solve word problems. For examples, age related, to find distance, speed, and time related examples. Also find numerical examples, etc. I will take fractions related word problems. The example is the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. If 6 is subtracted from both the numerator and the denominators, the denominator becomes 12 times the numerators. When solving the word problem, first step, read the problem carefully. Identify the unknown quantities about which some information is supplied. Denote these quantities by variables like A, B, C, D, X, Y, etc. In this example, contain two unknown quantities. First one is the numerator numbers and denominator numbers. So, denote these quantities by variable like x and y. Therefore, let the numerator of the fraction be x and its denominator be y. Next step, find condition of the given example. In this example, the first condition is the denominator of the fraction is 4 more than twice. Therefore, twice the numerator means 2x. Because numerator of the fraction be x, then twice the numerator be 2x. Therefore, first condition is the denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Therefore, first condition is y is equal to 2x plus 4. Here, these equations is write down in ax plus by is equal to c. Transfer this plus y on right hand side, therefore plus becomes minus, and this plus 4 on left hand side, this plus 4 becomes minus 4. Therefore, equation is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4 is the equation first. Next condition is if 6 is subtracted from both the numerator and the denominators, then the numerator becomes x minus 6 and denominator becomes y minus 6. Therefore, second condition is If 6 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator, the denominator becomes 12 times the numerators. 12 times than numerators. Numerator is x minus 6 and denominator is y minus 6. Solve bracket y minus 6 is equal to multiply monomial to binomial term. It means multiply monomial to binomial of each term, means 12 into x, 12x minus 12 into 6, 72. Transfer variable on one side and other side constant term. Transfer this y on right hand side, therefore this plus becomes minus, therefore 12x minus y is equal to minus 6 remains as it is, and transfer this minus 72 on left hand side, this minus becomes plus 72. Therefore 12x minus y is equal to 66, equation second. Solve equation first and equation second by eliminations method. In elimination method, first to check equal coefficient of each variables. In this equation, y variable having coefficients are equal. If equal coefficient of the variable having different sign, then addition will be takes place. If equal coefficient of the variable having same sign, then subtraction will be takes place. In these two equations, the y variable, both these two equations, the y variable having same sign, therefore here subtraction will be takes place. Therefore, by subtracting equation 1 from equation second, therefore 12x minus y is equal to 16. Subtract equation first is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. In subtraction, the sign will be changed each term of the second equations. Therefore, this plus 2x becomes minus, this minus y becomes plus, and minus 4 becomes plus. Therefore, 12x minus 2x is equal to 10x. This minus y plus y will be eliminated, is equal to 66 plus 4 is 70. Therefore, x is equal to 70 upon 10. This 10, transfer this 10 on right hand side, multiplication becomes division. Therefore, x is equal to 70 upon 10. 10 ones are 10 and 10 sevens are 70. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Substituting x is equal to 7 in equation first, we get 2 into 7 minus y is equal to minus 4. 2 into 7, 14 minus y is equal to minus 4. Transfer this minus y on right hand side and this minus 4 on left hand side. This minus y becomes plus y and this minus 4 becomes plus 4. Therefore, y is equal to 14 plus 4. Therefore, y is equal to 18. Therefore, the required fraction is 7 upon 18. Thank you.